I say, old boy, are we on? Are we on? Ha ha ha. Testing 1 2 1 2. Aye, we're on and we're recording tea. Oh heck. Oh goody camdrops, I say this is all swish. Ha ha. Aye, magic, be quick I've got the 445 on at Kempston. And this is a heron. Aye, you're right on the money there. Sharp, It's a lesser spotted heron at that, old boy. Aye, 'cause it's not seen that much, you can. It doesn't have many spots, this one, Archie. Aye, it's none at all I can see. Let's watch it, shall we? Let's watch, shall we? We've done that, let's get to the bookies, It's a wondering it is, Archie. Wondering, I tell you, wondering. Aye, not as much as that twa my mate kens, and they're right, lady. Oh my, they ramble too as a couple, wow. It's a gracious of all creatures, it's jolly smashing, Archie. Aye, they ramble, but I don't think my mate was. And there was me thinking my tatties was smashing. It's in its natural element it is looking for a snack, I reckon, Archie. How about some cheese and onion? Oh, I shall remember this forever, and ever I shall. I barely remember last night, it was good mind. And anyway, we've discussed this enough, but it was jolly good to show, I shall say. I love nature, it's in my nature. I too naturally. It's natural being from the countryside, yes.